Tis day 2. We're going to some 360 something. What else are we doing today?
Art, contemporary art.
Starbucks Reserve.
Shoreline boat.
Shoreline boat. Oh, we're doing all that today.
Can you see?
I think this is the tower we're going to. There's a cheesecake factory. Starbucks down there. Climbing the Hancock. Oh, look, it's nice. Oh my god. Oh, we were like down there. The aquarium's all the way down there. Yeah, I think it's like right there is where we were yesterday. Look at all those people. The MCA, Museum of Contemporary Arts.
I'm hungry.
Headed to the Starbucks Reserve right now. She's eating a burrito that I coincidentally saved in my tote bag. Here we have the Reserve Roastery. There's a whole lineup. Tis a bit funky. We'll see. What the heck? No idea what's going on. Some beans up there. This is wild. So we got some margarita pizza, mushroom, chocolate filled croissant, I don't know, olive cake, oil cake. Is it crispy?
I like crisp on the bottom.
Ooh. Hello? First bite, guys.
Okay.
Red Bull cart. I believe we're headed down to the Navy Pier so we can go for the boat ride. But the boat ride's at like 5 p.m.
It's 3 o'clock. Okay. We have an hour and a half.
We'll see how it goes.
I'm chafing my legs.
I know we have some cool people on the boat today. The Raving Paparazzi Drive Bridge just in front of us. Full name is now the Jean-Baptiste Point du Sable Lakeshore Drive Bridge. In the 70s to establish a fur trading indigenous tribes word that means stinky that used to grow on the banks of the Chicago. But this is our first of an architectural style. We'll see quite a bit of textualism. Sauce underneath the Carroll Street Railroad Bridge. But this bridge has been decommissioned since 1999. Concrete counterweight on the end helps it work like a giant seesaw. Triangularly shaped river cottages. And we learned about a guy earlier who loved triangles. War II began. And for nearly 30 years, conservative, austere movement of architecture called Black Box Modernism. This first building on the right, this is...
Damn. My middle part's kind of strong there. Well, it's things. Oh my gosh. What the heck is that? Pretty cool. Ferris wheel. Jesus. Zero? It's zero.
This place is racist.
Take a bite, take a bite.
No, it's just
Just eat it. Pick it up and eat it. Oh my god. Outside. Yeah. How would you rate your day so far?
Started off strong. Around 4 o'clock, I got really tired.
Only a couple hours ago.
Yeah.
Oh, chest.
Yes. We got the pieces. There's a big chest.
What do you think this is? Blue Mountain?
I said they don't even have the pieces on Blue Mountain anymore.
Probably don't. I'll try to get some pizza. Yeah, Sanic.
Pronouns are USA.
Eataly at Vino and dot. Right? We're here at Eataly at Vino and what I'm gonna get though. We got quite an extensive menu.
So this me, see, right? It's my page. I'll start here for sports. See that? Okay.
Stay with me.